Hello viewers, welcome to the Tech Architect. My name is Imran Ashraf and this video is related to how to create a WordPress website. In our last video I told you that we will create a WordPress website in next video. So let's start the portal, and when you log into the portal you can see all the icons here, and after login you can type WordPress and press enter. You can see the WordPress in marketplace. As I told you what is marketplace earlier, I told you. Let me click on the WordPress site, WordPress, and we will see here the options for creating website. Because my subscription is expired, you can see disabled free trial. Basically it's for 30 days and it has been expired. But however we can see how here we can type. I should type a name that is available. Let randomly I typed it's not a good name, meaningful name. You must type a meaningful name, Imran test 1, and you can see shortly here a green check mark. You can see it means it's the name is okay, nothing wrong with this. And still you are viewing the red sign, red, and the selected subscription is disabled, and I don't have any other subscription. For resource group you can use existing, as I select existing as the Imran RG_Imran. This one is existing, and here you can select your Microsoft SQL database, MySQL database, Azure database, and here you can see service plan for your application. When you click on create new, the already is the service plan, this one, this name, and the south location in the south central US. Now if I click create new, a new blade is opened, and you can see your service plan. So you can enter here app service plan name, and the location you can see the central US, and the S1 standard is the pricing tier. If you click on pricing tier, you can see the all tiers you have available. Currently is the S1, and you can switch over the others as well. So when you click on this and apply, and it will be changed. So I will close these blades, and I will keep this the same. You can also change the database settings, and further the application insights you can see. When you create the create button, when you click the create button, you will the application will be created, but in my case the selected subscription is disabled, so it will not be created. I already created this web service, and you can see test Imran 1. If I click, and I can see see the all options available, and we can configure it. Basically the configuration is related to scale up and scale out. Scale up means you can increase the storage, memory, and compute. You can change basically plan, as earlier in the last slide I told you. You can also change here from here, and you can see the dev, production, isolated, and these are the pricing plans. If you click on the scale out, you can set the scale out setting as manual, and the as auto scaling. You can set it auto scale and scale out. Basically I told you in my last video that scale out means you can increase the VMs in your web app. So this is all about the configuration and creation of the app, and you can see your all applications and all resources here in recent resources. You can also start, stop, and configure from console, also Cloud Shell. If I click on this, and I can see bottom screen, this is the Cloud Shell, and we have two options here, Bash and PowerShell. Bash is Linux based and PowerShell is Windows based. Both options are available here. I clicked on PowerShell, but still it is not permitting me because it is no valid subscription I have in my account. The subscription is expired, so I need to close this. But viewers, this is all about the how we create a website and how we configure a website. So in my next video I will be here with a new topic, and thank you very much. Bye for now.